Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Snapchat AI Clips Lens Studio feature. Now to use the AI Clips feature in Lens Studio, you can transform a static photo into a 5-second AI video by defining a creative closed prompt that users interact with on Snapchat. Now to create AI clips in Lens Studio, go ahead and open your Lens Studio application. From here, you will be sent to this option from where you can take a photo or just tap on this paperclip icon, and from here you should be able to select any of your media in your gallery. Now once you select your media, go ahead and tap done. Then type in your prompt like make it move. Now once I've given it my prompt and tap on this OK button, as you can see it is being generated. Now it says it couldn't be processed in my application. However, it should be available in yours, and once you enter your prompt and your video is generated, select AC to control randomness and click generate previews. This takes about a minute and you can view the results on different models in your gallery. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.